Amplifiers really, I mean, are almost a musical instrument in themselves. You know, it's the voice of the amp, it's the voice of your guitar and your tone, and it just gives you that freedom of expression, if you like. Being able to do that, it's pretty cool. I'm Dave Clark, I'm R&D manager at VOX Amplification Limited. VOX is a guitar amplification company. We've been around for 55 or odd years now. The VOX sound is really crazy. I mean, we've been using vacuum valves since the beginning, because in the 50s that's what existed. Even in the newer designs we're using vacuum tubes, of course, but we're also using, you know, DSPs, and we're using, you know, modern technology to bring modern day convenience to our products. Effectively, we take care of the whole product right from scratch, right to the final production. Pretty much I have Altium Designer open almost all day. Altium is you know, so intrinsic to, you know, to that design flow right from the beginning. Altium Design has really helped us collaborate with Japan in the fact that, you know, we can have almost a 24-hour development cycle, because, you know, I can work on something, finish it, pass it over to the Japanese, and then they can continue it, and then I take it over in the morning. It's quite a nice safety net to have, really. Time to market for us is incredibly important, and with Altium Designer, what I've found is our development time compared to our old development package has been cut in half. And what that means is that gives us that competitive advantage to get to market faster than our competitors. What I've found with previous packages, I spent a lot of my time hacking, basically, to try and get them to work nicely with each other. With Altium, I don't have to think about that, which makes me happy. Let's say, for example, I've designed a PCB, but it's one of those days and you've made a mistake and you've missed out a component or something, or you wired up a component the wrong way around, something. But Hug and Push. Hug and Push will be able to just basically plow in, parting the traces, and then, you know, you can route your trace in. And for me, that's one of the things that I loved, to just be able to rework designs. It just meant that I got things done quicker. Another cool thing is the integration with 3D CAD packages. So they can export that PCB as a step file. I can import that into my mechanical design package, and it kind of cuts out that middleman. I don't have to create a 3D model of a PCB, which is what I had to do in the past. Now, I just have a file, it's created, Altium does it for me, there you go, you know, and I don't have to think about it. The Altium Designer subscription for me is really important in the fact that, I mean, we've been subscription customers since the beginning. I mean, we do other subscriptions with, you know, other packages, and for us it's really important that we have the most up-to-date software. As far as, you know, the company's concerned, you are, in the long term, you're saving money because you're saving time, and you're always on the forefront of the latest technology. The one thing I really like about Premiere's service, for me, it's really been the consistency since, you know, since we started using them. I mean, since 2009 we've had the same account manager. I mean, it's a little thing, but it's a nice thing. You know, I always know that, you know, if I need to make a call, you know, I call up and Bettina's on the other end of the phone. And it's been the same. It's been the same as that for, you know, since 2009. And as a business relationship, it's always good, you know, to have that consistency and have a familiar face and a familiar voice, and you know, get to know each other. And I think that's an important thing. You know, Bettina understands our business, you know, and for me, that's just been really important, actually, having that kind of closer relationship. My training with Premiere was really good, actually. What Premiere sort of suggested in the beginning is, right, basically, we'll sell you the package and then have it for a couple of months and have a tinker. And just familiarise yourself with the environment, because again, it's like the same as any package. You know, it's a little bit different to my mechanical packages and certainly my previous electronic package. After the 2 months, we then had the 4-day training course. It goes right from, you know, the basics of library creation all the way through to PCB design, and absolutely pretty much everything in between. And I remember actually coming back after the training, sitting down at my desk and kind of getting that moment. And then from that point, the learning curve just went, you know, it was kind of steady, learn a bit, and then it just went, and then suddenly, you know, it was just became part of me.